Hi guys, how you doing this morning? I'm okay. I'm a little frustrated, a little down this morning. There's something. That's kind of cool artwork. All right. Okay. Well, I'm driving through Tuccamari, okay, New Mexico, and it's supposed to be this really, cool place, and I was excited about coming here, and I get here, and I would guess maybe 75% of the businesses are closed on this street. My Route 66 passport, the New Mexico Museum, Route 66 Museum, closed. I stayed here. Well, there's something little cute over there. The little Lasita? I don't know if that's how you pronounce it. But, stayed here, just doing nothing, although I needed it. Granted, I did need a rest. I've been driving a lot. I needed it. I needed it for my legs and everything. But, I was here yesterday morning, and so right now it is 10:30 on Monday morning, and I'm still here. Yeah, I'm really sad about this. Really sad, because all these buildings just sitting empty. That kills me. Yeah. So anyway, I'll be back.